Hey, so if Google Gemini is not working, like it won't load, won't respond, or keeps showing errors, yeah, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini not working in 2026. First thing, check your internet. Slow or unstable internet is the most common reason Gemini fails to load. Next, refresh the page or restart the app. So this clears temporary loading issues. All right, clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, old data can break how Gemini loads. Now, disable extensions. Ad blockers or plugins can sometimes block Gemini scripts. Next, open Gemini in incognito mode. So this helps test if your browser is the problem. All right, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. I mean, wrong account access can cause errors. And yeah, try another device or browser. This helps confirm if the issue is device specific. So that's how you fix Google Gemini not working. Once everything is fine, it should load and respond normally again.